Saving time and improving efficiencies is crucial when rolling out instances of MobiusFlow on large-scale deployments or in a production environment. Using MobiusFlow Manager can streamline the copy and paste process when reusing pre-configured instances of MobiusFlow. To do this, simply go to your instance of MobiusFlow you wish to copy, go to Administration, click on Backup, give it a file name, and download the backup to your device. Go back to Manager and create a new instance of MobiusFlow. This can take up to 10 minutes. Log in to the new instance of MobiusFlow. The default username is admin and the password is adm123. Go to Administration, click on Restore and upload the backup you downloaded earlier. You can now go through the devices and update them with the new IDs and settings. Repeat this as required. You can now log into your new instance of MobiusFlow and check to see that the flows have loaded incorrectly, and if so, you can go through the configuration and update the settings accordingly.